Now we are discussing chord and tangent properties, no combination. Already we discussed result. What is it? It is the circle with the center O. Here I am taking two chords. This is A, B chord and C, D chord. Let it be P. So PD value X, PC value X, AP value 4, BP value, PB value 9. Find X. That result we proved. So that's why I gave one problem on it. So tell me the answer. These are the two chords. Two chords intersect at P. Now what is your result? PA into PB. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Okay. What is your PA value? 4. 4 into 9 is equal to X into X. X into X, X square. 9 4s are 36. X is equal to plus or minus 6. X value must take it 6. Minus 6 should not take. Because these are the sides, lengths of the segments, lengths of the line segments. So that's why negative couldn't get. Your X value is 6. It is the best result we proved when that two tangents intersecting point is P, that is interior of the circle. Now again I am taking circle AB and CD are the two chords. AB, CD are the two chords. Extend these two chords. That chords are intersect externally. External point. That point P is not in the circle. That is the external point. Then here also result. Whether the intersecting point of the chords may be intersect internally or externally, then your property is definitely PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. If two chords are intersecting either internally or externally, then your proof is PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So this result be here. This result satisfies in these chords. That chords may be intersect internally or intersect externally. So try to prove it. You must have some previous knowledge to prove it. Here either product form or ratio form, one of the approaches is have to try to prove similarity. Observe here, PA is the side of a one formed triangle. To form a triangle, PA as a side, join these two. Your construction is join AC and join BD. Observe, PA is the side of this chota triangle and PB is the side of this bada triangle. If suppose you are able to prove this chota triangle is similar to bada triangle, then definitely your problem is over. But is it possible to prove these two triangles are similar to each other? Now observe, when you are observing these two, maybe you thinking that these two are parallel to each other. No. Those two are may or may not be parallel. So that's why you can't say directly those two are parallel to each other. Parallel అని చెప్పడానికి కావాల్సిన కండిషన్ కానీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కానీ మన దగ్గర ఏమీ లేదు. So these two are similar to each other. We can prove it by using AA similarity. By using AA similarity, in these two triangles, any two angles are equal. Need to prove it. Need to prove any two angles are equal to each other in both triangles. Is it possible to prove? Definitely we can prove. Okay, see, in chota triangle P is the one angle, for chota triangle, for bada also P is the angle. So it is the common angle. So that's why in both that angle is same. One more angle you try to prove equal to each other in both triangles. ఇంకొక angle గాని ఈక్వల్ ఉందని చెప్పగలిగితే your problem is over. Tell me, by using any concept, one more angle, need to prove it. Observe here, ABDC. ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is meant by cyclic quadrilateral? That you have learnt in a previous class. So what is it? ABDC. You know that ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Any four vertices of a quadrilateral on the circle, then that quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, an exterior angle formed is equal to its opposite interior angle. See, you take a angle C, its opposite interior angle is this exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle. It is possible in cyclic quadrilateral only. So that's why here observe angle PCA, angle PCA is equal to angle ABD since ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why it is possible. And angle P is common. Therefore, triangle PAC is similar to triangle. Observe, P is the common, take it. A corresponding angle is D here, C corresponding angle is B here. So your triangle is PDB. Which similarity? By AA similarity. By AA, both are similar to each other. So that's why triangle PAC is similar to triangle PDB. Which similarity it is? It is AA similarity. Therefore, by CPST, you get it PA by PA corresponding part is PD. PA by PD equal to PC corresponding part PB. By CPST means corresponding parts in a similar triangles. From this you get it. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. That implies PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. This is your result. Whether it is interior point or exterior point, that point formed by intersecting the two chords, when here extended both chords, got a point that is an exterior, this is an interior. Your result is PA into PB equal to PC into PD. The product of the parts when they intersects are same.